When the project demands more, pipeline crossings, river bores, challenging ground conditions, you need a machine that doesn't stop. Meet the UNI 130 by Universal HDD, a pipeline-class rig delivering 130,000 pounds of thrust and pullback, 15,000 foot-pounds of rotary torque, and drilling fluid flow up to 280 gallons per minute, powered by a 300-horsepower turbo diesel engine. The UNI 130 is built with a cruise control system that maintains preset thrust and rotation throughout the bore, a mud flow indicator for real-time fluid monitoring, and a semi-automatic rod loading system to keep operations moving. Strike Alert detects electrical hazards on the spot. The integrated diagnostic system lets operators identify issues in real time right on the job site. And the Panoramic operator cab with all-weather package comes included on every unit at no extra cost. UNI 130, built for those who drill where others stop.